In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a schedule in QuickBooks Time. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the left here and you want to click on Schedule. And then from here, as you can see, you have a few options. So we have the actions up top left where you can basically add shifts. You can copy previous weeks, subscribe to calendars, etc. And then over here, you could also select to add customers on here if you wanna. You could go and change it to where it's basically just for today or to where it's basically for any other day. So we could go ahead and of course move this and it's going to show you on which specific date you're currently working on. And then up here you also have week, day, or month, however you want to see it. Okay, now whenever you do that, you can go ahead and add things. So for example, if I click on over here, I can just give it a title, for example, meeting, like that. I can give it a color, so if I want it to be like red, for example, I could do that. You could do all day, repeat, start date, etc., and then just click on publish or save draft, and that's going to basically change or create a piece of your schedule. Now of course you can then just go through it over here and add as many things on as you want, as of course it's relevant to your own schedule. So that's how to create a schedule. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.